Okay, here's a quick video to show you how to remote into the server at the school. I'm quickly going to go ahead and install Cisco AnyConnect because it's not on this machine, but you may find it on your machines already. Just going to go ahead and search for the install Cisco AnyConnect. Right, now I'm running the software. I'm just going to type in the server details that we need to connect to. Right, next it's going to ask us for our USO credentials. Right, that's it. It's now establishing the connection. Next, if it needs to do any updates, it will automatically do that. So it's just installing an internal update. Okay, connection established. Next we need to head over to Microsoft Remote Desktop. Right, I'm going to type in the server address. Right, that's it. Now I'm going to type in my network password that we use at school normally. I'm going to click on the trust box so it doesn't ask me this again. And that's it, it's logging into the remote desktop server. I can carry on with my work as normal now, as if I'm sitting at a computer at work. And when ready to disconnect the session, just log off. And to disconnect from the VPN, so we're back to normal, just click on this little icon here and hit that disconnect button. That's it. That's how you remote access.